The next process is we're going to detect and identify the soldering defects. We're going to discuss the definition of each soldering condition. Example of solder defects. As shown in the arrow, we have a problem here. Kapag nakita niyo yung ganyan ng kondisyon, kumalat yung tingga sa 2 or more points, ang tawag dyan ay solder bridge. Focus siya ng electrical short. Follow the arrow. See, we have a solder ball. This is what we call solder ball. Here, this is dangerous. It will cause of rattling. Rattling means when you shake the unit, something is shaking inside. Excessive solder. The solder is much bigger than this one. Look. Observe the wire. It's already melted. See? Meaning, the amount of heat is too much applied in the component. The condition of the wire is much better than the other one. Cold solder. The solder condition is not shiny and look dusty and crusty. This is fractured solder. See the condition of the solder lead. It is already fractured and no contact with the solder land. And moves the leg terminal. This is the sample of fractured solder. Look at the terminal of the component. It has been detached and no contact with the solder land. This is what we call solder land. Short solder. Look at the 2 points. It has been soldered together. This sample of a short solder. 2 points are being joined together. It should be like that. The 2 separate points are not joined or connected to each other. Solder splash. We found anywhere in the circuit board. It will cause short component or short circuit. Dirty joint solder. It looks like a solder whip or cracked solder and semi-shiny, caused by movement of the solder part before the solder has hardened. Overheated solder joint. Overheated solder joint. A dull and rough or sandy. This is caused by applying too much heat for too long period of time. Dirty joint solder. Dirty joint solder. This is caused when the solder part have not been properly cleared and oxidation or foreign material interfere with the flow of solder. Bridge solder. When the solder contact reaches to the other points, from the origin to the other solder pad, solder land. Take a look at this one. This is an example of solder bridge. It reaches to the other point. Cold solder joint. The joint is not clear and shiny. Looks like there is foreign material. The part is not evenly shiny. Look at this portion. There's a shiny part and the dusty part. To recap, this is solder splash, short solder joint. The solder lead touches other terminals. Solder balls. Solder that may be dropped during soldering will cause rattling or even short circuit. Thank you for watching. This is Rapsa.